the way the Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Twitter, all are being used by the people, the way they facilitated some of the movements in the world like Arab Spring, all of us are aware of the potential of the social media. Of course, there is a difference between the social media and social networking. Of course, they look alike, but they are two different concepts. Social media is a technology which will facilitate the social networking. I will again, if anybody got something, I will later elaborate. Otherwise, I will. These are the 4 important networking sites as per user membership thing. And Facebook, for example, the way now it has evolved over a period of time, it is not only facilitating the network, it is allowing the people to keep in touch, it is communication, and also you can post a lot of photos. In fact, you can take your organizations like Flickr, you can also use this as a platform to share your photos and events. And of course, you can be able to share your news and files. In fact, how the social media became very popular. Of course, it was there for the last 7-8 years, but in 2012, when the President Obama started his campaign, that was the watershed for the social media. He has combined the social media with big data, nowadays we call it as analytics, for direct social engagement. And they created a concept called targeted sharing, which means they know who are the people on the Facebook, who are the followers of the Obama. Because of the big data, you can able to identify who are the potential people who would able to campaign for the Obama, and they convince those people to identify their friends on the Facebook, and they wanted those people to campaign for the Obama. That's how Obama has made use of this social media. In fact, yesterday, Hindustan Times. Anyone of you have read Hindustan Times yesterday? What is the big news on the front page? Some of you must be reading Hindustan Times. On the front page, Hindustan Times, it says that 5 potential leaders of the country are going to be making use of the Facebook in the next 5 days, starting from today onwards. Today it will be the Narendra Modi's day on the Facebook, and tomorrow onwards. So there are 5 people. And out of the 5, Narendra Modi is having 10.7 million followers on the Facebook, and Facebook has tied up with the NDTV, and they will grill these 5 leaders on the net, on the social media, and their followers can watch, and any citizen can engage these leaders on the net through the social media. So that is the news yesterday. This is a big news item on the Hindustan Times yesterday. Why social media? I think I will skip because already a couple of the important points was mentioned. So what is the government 2.0? The application of Web 2.0 technologies to the government. In fact, myself and Professor Gupta were a common friend, Jajit Bhattacharya. He wrote a book titled Government 2.0, and Government 2.0 facilitate the use of the social media and so that you can able to commoditize the government services and engage the citizens on the net. And Government 2.0 is interactive, participatory, and it is a collaborative government. As I mentioned in the previous slide, if you want to reach the highest level of 5.0, you have to take your organization to the seamless government or a collaborative government. And how the public administrators are using the net, particularly the social media. India, of course, engaging or providing the information, accessing the government information is important for the citizen. Therefore, giving information is important. But now, as you can see it in the bottom, administrators are beginning to explore how they can make use of the social media to make the citizens participate in the decision making. So they want to evolve Government 2.0 using the participative web. Next is better and stronger interaction with the citizens. Um, for example, a few days back in the Times of India, there is an article. You know, few unfortunate incidents have happened in Delhi in the last 2 months for the northeastern residents. Delhi police has evolved how they can able to make. They have created a social media site for the northeastern students and northeastern residents in Delhi, and they would like to interact with the those particular citizens. In fact, there is a third slide which is again it is called specific target. Is an example, in fact, of the northeastern resident. So, another initiative of the Delhi traffic policies to inform the citizens as and when there is a traffic congestion, they are making use of the social media. And as Mr. Arvind mentioned, whenever some crisis happens like Uttarakhand, the government can make use of the social media, can post all these important emergency response teams scheduled to the different places. Like nowadays, there is NDMA. NDMA is using the social media. National Disaster Management Authority. It is using the social media. And of course, government. You know, the public image about some of the government departments is very poor. That's why when Anna Hazare started the movement, he got the response from the public because the image of the people about the government is very poor. So therefore, you have to use the social media. Therefore, governments departments will start using the social media to improve the institutional image and branding. In fact, this is happening already in Australia and a couple of good examples are there in Europe also. How they are using social media. I'll skip some of them. So the ultimate aim is earlier Web 1.0